Could artificial intelligence be the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe? As we delve into the latest advancements and breakthroughs in the world of AI, one can't help but ponder this thought-provoking question. In the news this week, OpenAI sees the return of a key figure, Sam Altman. This development has sparked a buzz in the AI community, with expectations high for fresh perspectives and initiatives. Over at Anthropic, their AI model Claude 3 has surged ahead, outpacing its rivals in AI capabilities. This game-changing development stands to redraw the map of artificial intelligence research. On the security front, groundbreaking techniques for safeguarding AI systems have been making headlines. These advances address the urgent issues of data privacy and cybersecurity, instilling greater confidence in AI technology users. In the realm of social media, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has made a hefty investment in AI for video content. This move signals a major shift towards more immersive and personalized user experiences. In healthcare, an innovative new app capable of diagnosing ear infections using AI is causing a stir. This revolutionary tool is poised to transform the way medical diagnoses are made. Turning to real estate, Redfin's AI tool is shaking up the industry. By offering insights and predictions, the tool is streamlining the home buying process for consumers. But the reach of AI doesn't stop there. Progress in computer graphics, generative video models, and atomic force microscopy underscore the far-reaching impact of AI across a broad spectrum of sectors, from technology to healthcare and beyond. To summarize, this week has seen Sam Altman's return to OpenAI, Claude 3's dominance in AI capabilities, new security techniques for AI systems, Meta's investment in AI for video content, an app for diagnosing ear infections, and Redfin's AI tool for the real estate industry. Plus, ongoing progress in computer graphics, generative video models, and atomic force microscopy. That's all for this week's AI News Roundup. Keep an eye out for more groundbreaking developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until our next update, continue to innovate and explore the limitless potential of AI.